Swing the axe on.
When you get down in the mine, you gotta dig the dirt up. You gotta dig the dirt up. You gotta dig the dirt up. What we looking to find? Diamonds or bust. Diamonds or bust. Diamonds or bust. See the mobs in the mine. They watching us. They watching us. They watching us. Then I see him in a line. Now mine I must. Now mine I must. Now mine I must.
I'm gonna scream and shout and mine it all out. And scream and shout and mine it out. We're saying, oh, Steve-O, Steve-O, Steve-O. I'm saying, oh, please no, please no, please no. I'm gonna scream and shout and get my sword out. And scream and shout and go all out. We're saying, oh, Steve-O, Steve-O, Steve-O.
You are so stupid if you think you can
take us on. Ah yeah. Ah yeah. Ah yeah.
Swing the axe on.
Gotta go, this whole place is out of control. At the bottom you just don't know which way is out. Where do I go? No, no, hey, yo. See the light, now let's hit the dough. Climb it up and then climb some more. Flint it up and then watch it blow, blow, blow. Let's go, made it out. Got it now, now this is what I'm talking about. Pack it up and back to the house, house. Let's go, craft it up and hold it up high. Here we go, them creepers won't die. Cause everywhere that we go we
swing the axe on.
When you get into the woods, you gotta chop the logs up. You gotta chop the logs up. You gotta chop the logs up. Doing good like Robin Hood. Plant them back up. Plant them back up. Plant them back up.
You see the mobs in the woods.